I'm Rick Zanotti with Relay Corporation and RELATECasts. Today I want to talk a little bit about how do you relax right before you start doing a lot of voiceover work. And there are several exercises from yoga or qigong or other practices that will help you relax and feel a little bit better while you're doing voiceover, especially at the beginning. So here's a simple one I do a lot. You put your hand on your diaphragm, just so you know where you're breathing, and you breathe in through your stomach all the way up, and then you hold it. And then you breathe out very slowly to a count of about 8. So you breathe in to a count of 4. And now you're going to hold for a count of 7. And breathe out slowly to a count of about 8. All right, so you can do this quite a few times. The whole purpose of this is to relax your body, get your brain in a comfortable state, get the body kind of relaxing. Now, always keep your back straight. I'm sitting with my back up. I'm not leaning back or anything. Just sit up straight. And always breathe through your nose in this particular case. So I'm going to breathe in. Count of 4. Now hold it for a count of 7. And out for 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe in. Hold for a count of 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Breathe in. Hold for 7. And relax it out. Now, if you feel you can't get enough breath when you first start, here's a technique that'll help you get more breath at the beginning. Breathe in through your nose, same thing. Count of 4. Hold it as much as you can, and then breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. So hold a little bit and breathe out through your mouth. Now try breathing in through your nose and keeping your mouth closed, both in and out. Here we go. 1. Hold for 7. And breathe out for 8. So that time, your breathing should have been a little bit more relaxed and more air coming in. Again, by breathing out through your mouth, you're opening the lungs a little bit more. Now, in traditional Chinese medicine, you rarely breathe out of your mouth because you want to keep the heat in your body. Heat nourishes organs like the lungs, your spleen, liver, all of that. You're nourishing your organs with heat. And so that's what we need to do. So breathing out gets rid of some of that heat, but can also, relax the body. So hopefully that helps and you can also do this exercise anytime you feel stressed or you just want to take a quick break and get some oxygen in you. Well, that's a good way to do it. All right, I'm Rick Zanotti with Relay Corporation and RELATECasts. We'll see you soon. Thanks.